Hi guys, I'm back again with a video of mine, and in this video I'm gonna give you a review about the two products which I recently ordered from Nykaa. The products which I ordered are a hair serum and a hair conditioner. So the products are basically related to hair. So I'm gonna give you a review about both the products. If you're new here and you don't know me, then my name is Ankita guys. So let's just jump into the video and let's just see the review. So the first product I'm going to talk about is this hair serum which I ordered from L'Oreal. This is basically for smoothing and repairing your hair. So hair serums are just like skin serums, which are formulated with active ingredients that penetrate deep into your hair. Not only this, they are used to control frizz, style your hair, and also they protect your hair from environmental aggressors. As you all know that oiling is very much important for your hair, not just for your hair, but it nourishes your scalp. The same way, hair serums are something which they take care of the surface level of your hair. So also there are a lot of chicks who skip this conditioner thing. In case you don't use conditioners on a daily basis, you can just use this hair serum whenever you are going for an outing or something, and just style your hair and you're done for the day. So let's just move on to the how exactly I use the serum. There are several people who don't know how exactly, on what way the serum has to be used on hair. So I'm going to show you that how exactly I use it on my hair. I'm going to give you a review of the same. So let's just start. Now you all can see that I've opened my hair. So now first what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten my hair, and for straightening my hair I'm using this flat iron from Vega. So I'm going to take a little bit of sections and just straighten my hair. So let's start. First, taking this upper part of the hair and tying it into a knot. And I'll be straightening the lower part first, and then I'm going to move on the upper part. So let's just move on from here. You can take bigger sections, but as it will take a lot amount of time, so I'm just straightening them without taking sections. You can do in whatever way you usually straighten them. You don't have to follow these steps. So the lower part has been straightened. Now I'll be opening this knot and I'm gonna straighten this part. But before that, I'm gonna tie this hair so that it doesn't get mixed with the unstraightened hair. So now I'll be opening my upper hairs and I'm gonna straighten these hairs well. So now you all can see my hair are straightened, and I'm done with the hair straightening part. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this hair serum. I'm gonna just take a peanut amount of hair serum in my palms, only this bit, and I'm just gonna make it stay on my hand for 5 to 6 seconds so that it liquefies and softens, and then I'm gonna apply it on my hair. So 5 to 6 seconds are done. Now I'm gonna just rub it on my hands like this, and I'm gonna just press it here on my lower ends. you don't have to, apply it on your scalp, because you just don't want to end up making your hair look flat and greasy, right? So don't apply it on your roots. Instead, just apply it on the baby hair which are visible when you wash your hair. So just apply it on the surface, on the lower part of the hair, and just with your light hands move it on your upper part of the hair. Go like this, and you're done. Also just comb it off so that it spreads evenly on your hair, right? And now I'll be doing the same thing on this part of the hair. You can see the difference, like how the frizz has gone on this part and the frizz is still there on this part, right? So you can see how much amount of difference a hair serum makes in a hair, right? So let's just do the same thing on this part of the hair as well. Just leave it for 5 to 6 seconds. Rubbing it on your hands like this, and then again applying it on your hair, lower part of the hair. Please don't forget, just keep this thing in your mind that you don't have to apply it on your roots, because you don't want your hairstyle to get flat and greasy, right? This hair has got stuck. The extra amount of the hair serum, just rub it off on your upper part of the hair so that the baby hairs which pop out are not visible, right? Because that is something which we chicks don't like it. Now you have to just comb so that the hair serum spreads evenly on your hair. So the benefits of using a hair serum is basically, first is just that it smoothens your hair, which you already have seen. It controls frizz, which you must have seen. Also, it detangles your hair. You must have seen when I was combing my hair after applying the hair serum, how it was easier, like easily getting detangled, and there were no issues which I was facing while combing my hair, which usually girls face. So these are the 3 benefits, and also it helps you to protect your hair from environmental pollution. So now let's just move on to the second product which I ordered. That was a conditioner. So the hair conditioner which I ordered was from Streaks brand, and this conditioner is basically which I ordered because when I color my hair a lot, and I usually use this hair color from Streaks, golden blonde color or maybe honey blonde color, whichever suits my whichever color I want my hair to be. I just go for any of the 2, either golden blonde or honey blonde. So I usually order a color from Streaks and colored my hair. So I have seen that Streaks gives you a hair conditioner, small sachet of hair conditioner with it, wherein after coloring your hair, when you wash your hair, you have to condition it, because that is something which protects your hair color from getting frizzy and brazy. So that's why the conditioner is provided. and since the time I'm using that conditioner, I have fell in love with it because it, you know, it makes my hair, or it gives a lot of volume to my hair, it gives an extra shine to my hair, and also it reduces a lot amount of hair fall. I have faced a lot amount of hair fall when I, you know, usually wash my hair. Even if I use aloe vera or nimbu or this homemade paste which people apply at home, that never helps to my hair. Even if it helps, the frizziness never goes, and also the detangling thing also never goes. So this conditioner is the best solution for me. That's why I ordered it in the first place, because I already have used it in the past, so I thought this would be the best option for my hair, so I ordered it. So I'm gonna show you that how exactly the bottle looks. So let's just see. This is the bottle, and this is Streaks Professional, okay, Argan Secrets Color Reinforcer Technology Color Protect Conditioner. So basically this is a conditioner for those girls who, you know, color their hair, and I guess in this generation every other girl is into coloring their hair. So I guess this is the best conditioner they can go for, as but I can't, you know, like, this is something which suits my hair. I don't know whether it will suit your hair or not, because hair are different. They are thick, they are thin, they are curly, they are wavy. Mine are wavy and frizzy. I don't know about your hair, but a lot of girls are there who have very thick amount of hair. So I don't know what kind of conditioner might go for them, but for my hair, this is the best conditioner I've got, because it reduces hair fall. And earlier I used to face a lot of hair fall, but since the time I've started using this, the hair fall has gone. So this is a good product. The amount is 275 and the serum was for 150 rupees. So it's very affordable. Chicks who are, you know, studying and can't afford much can go for it. And if you have frizzy hair like me, frizzy and wavy hair like me. Also, hair serums are something which are different for different hair type. So that is something which I can tell you in my next video if you are interested to see. But in this video, this is the only thing I would like to show. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope you all will like my video, and I hope you all you know, like the review which I gave about the products. So let's just meet in the next video of mine, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys, because I've put a lot of efforts in making a video and giving you the honest amount of reviews. I don't give fake reviews, because that is something which is people who have got the product for free, but I have purchased these products with my own money, with my own hard-earned money, and I am giving you the honest review. So please trust me, guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also you can follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is all about Ankita_. So you can go there and check out all the videos, because I usually am active there. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. I'm saying this again and again just because I need your likes, I need your support, guys. So just like, share and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Bye.